open LC, and after review of vendor drawing, you have to approve them. Then your local raw material purchase will start. Once the raw material purchase will start, your manufacturing will be done. Again, this phase has to be monitored. Somebody has to visit. The expediter and inspector has to visit whether they are doing everything as per the quality plan desired in the purchase requisition. They will verify, and then a stage will come where factory acceptance test has to happen. Now, this FAT sometimes is, if it is a very common equipment, probably not many people will visit from the employer side or engineer side. But if it is a very critical item, employer and engineers both will visit and witness this factory acceptance test. Consultant would visit. If it is accepted, then the material will go for packaging and custom clearance. Once it is packaged, it will go for custom clearance. Documentation has to be done, and FOB and air freighting. Now, after custom clearance, you have to do the FOB. FOB stands for freight on board. Means you have made all the clearances, book the vessel where this shipment is, which ship the material has to go, and the freight will be on board to that particular vessel. Air freighting, in case the material is small and you want it on a fast track basis, you would always do the air freighting. Again, you have to, why these stages or process has been defined here? Because you have to include these stages to account for the time involved in doing the delivery. This is, if you forget to include this period, probably your delivery will be totally out of this thing. If you are only agreeing that vendor works, what is the delivery, and then after vendor works, forgetting the custom clearance required from that country, then custom clearance would again require in your country. So maybe in both the process you would lose 15 days. So you have lost almost 1 month. When you are doing planning, you have to be very, very careful. Clearly define accommodate the durations for the deliveries, and based on that only prepare your schedule. Once the custom clearance is done, the delivery will be at site, and here comes the start of work for a store manager or inventory control, the materials management which is happening at site. From here it will be going to them. They will take care. Up to this point, procurement manager is responsible that material is delivered at site on what date. So he would be requiring a lot of statistics, performance monitoring, so that he can efficiently plan and monitor the work.